binalaan ng COMELEC ang Diocese ng Bacolod na posible silang makasuhan. Iyon ay kung hindi nila tatanggalin ang kanilang Team Patay at Team Buhay o Buhay poster. Ayon kasi sa COMELEC, higit o lampas o sobra sa tamang sukat yung mga poster na yon. Nakatutok si Tinang Panganiban Perez.
Tanggalin nyo yan.
Ang pinatatanggal ni COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes, itong higanteng poster ng Diocese ng Bacolod na Team Buhay at Team Patay tungkol sa mga kandidatong sumuporta at kumontra sa RH Law. Dahil lagpas sa tamang sukat para sa election poster na 2 feet by 3 feet, pinutol ito. Pero oversize pa rin daw, sabi ng COMELEC.
Kung hindi nyo tatanggalin, i-charge na namin kayo. Nakakahiya naman. Wala naman privileges just because you belong to the Catholic Church or what.
Pero ayon sa legal counsel ng diocese na si Attorney Ralph Sarmiento, hindi iligal ang kanilang ipinasigil na poster dahil hindi naman ito campaign poster kundi paraan lamang ng paghahayag ng simbahan.
It's part therefore of religious freedom on the part of the church. We cannot allow the state to intrude into or to interfere into the affairs of the state. More so that this is a church property, it's a private property.
You're campaigning for or against any candidate, that is campaigning. If you put up a poster which is beyond the limit provided for, yung size, that is illegal campaigning. Any person, if everybody will say, hindi namin muna tatanggalin, gatin yung sinasabi kung ano ito, this is just an expression of the freedom of what speech or what, hindi wala na kami mahuhuli.
Tila magmamatigas sa isyu ang Bacolod Diocese.
The bishop is, in his own diocese, the supreme authority, and nobody can dictate on him.
Tina Panganiban Perez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.